बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 6 क्लास। उम्मीद है सब बच्चे खैरियत से होंगे, मैं भी खैरियत से हूँ। हमने आपकी इंग्लिश की पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक एंड करिकुलम की बुक स्टार्ट की हुई है। इसमें हमने द पोएम बाय अ सोल्जर में की एक्सरसाइज की 2 पार्ट हम कर चुके हैं। आज पार्ट नंबर 3 करते हैं। इसमें क्वेश्चन है कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि मेक 3 group of 5 students each and ask them to exchange their ideas and opinion on how can one be a patriot or the importance of time। उन्होंने कहा है कि आप बच्चों के क्लासरूम में बच्चों के 3 ग्रुप बनाएं और उनमें करें कि वो आपस में जो है कि एक जो अच्छा हुब्बुल वतन है वो कैसे बन सकता है, या फिर ये कि टाइम की अहमियत के बारे में एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कशंस करें। तो चलिए हम इधर से देख लेते हैं। How can one be a patriot? Being a patriot involves demonstrating loyalty, dedication, and commitment to one country and its well-being. It requires embracing the nation values, respecting its history and culture, and activity contributing to its progress. A patriot advocates for justice, equality, and freedom, upholding the principles that defined their nation. They participate in democratic progress, in stay informed about national issue, and engaged in constructive dialogue. Party part, Patriotism also involves supporting local communities, progress, preserving national heritage, and balance and promoting unity amidst deserving amidst diversity. Ultimately, a true patriot served to make their country a sense of belonging and pride in their national identity. अब नेक्स्ट है कि द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम। द टाइम इज़ लाइफ्स greatest managing time effectively is crucial for achieving success, productivity, and balance life. Every moment counts, and wise time management enable us to prioritize goals, accomplish tasks efficiently, and make the most of our lives. By valuing time, we can reduce stress, increase happiness, and fulfill our potential. बच्चों इसमें एक ऐसे रह गया था, राइट एन ऐसे ऑन द टॉपिक माय फादर इज़ माय हीरो। इसमें माय फादर इज़ माय हीरो। इंट्रोडक्शन पहले इसका देते हैं। माय फादर इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ पेरेंट, ही इज़ इंस्पिरेशन, माय मेंटोर, एंड माय हीरो। ही हैज़ बीन a content source of guidance, support, and love in my life. His selflessness, preserving, and kindness have made him a role model, and I aspire to uh, emulate his qualities. In this essay, I will share why my father is my hero and how he has shaped me into the person I am today. अब है quality of a hero. My father possessive qualities that make him an extraordinary individual. His unwavering optimism, even in the face of, taught me to taught me to stay positive and focus on a solution rather than problems. In his in integrity, honesty, and a strong moral compass have in, instilled in me a sense of right and wrong. My father compassion and working empathy towards others have shown me the importance of kindness and understanding. अब life lesson है my father has taught me invaluable life lesson through his action and words. He has instilled in me the importance of hard work, discipline, and responsibility. His education is key to success. Has mon, motivated me to pursue my academic goal with deg- with dedications and passion. He has also shown me that failure is not the end but an opportunity to learn and grow. आगे है कंक्लूजन है. इन कंक्लूजन माय फादर इज माय हीरो ड्यू टू हिज remarkable qualities, life lesson, and inspiring examples. He has shaped me into a confident, responsible, and compassionate individual. His unwavering sport guidance and love have made me feel value and op- and appreciate to me a hero. Hero is not hero is not sense person who makes an extraordinary impact. My father em- embolize this definition, and I feel grateful to grateful to have in my life. अच्छा बच्चों, यहाँ पर ही हमारी जो ये नज़्म है, अ पोएम बाय अ सोल्जर, اختتام پذیر ہوتی ہے۔ امید ہے کہ آپ کو یہ میرا لیسن اچھا لگا ہوگا۔ اگر اچھا لگا ہے تو کمنٹ سیکشن میں کمنٹ کر کے ضرور بتائیے گا اور سبسکرائب کرنا نہ بھولیے گا۔ اللہ